Hey guys, it's Ashley Foltz. I'm so excited to share my holiday makeup tutorial with you guys. I feel like during the holidays, you wanna go all out, you wanna be festive and fun, and especially if you're wearing red, this is gonna be a great makeup tutorial for you, so let's get right into it. First up, I start with my Beauty Blender and my concealer, and just so you know, I already have a little bit of foundation on my face. I use the La Mer Cushion foundation, but I didn't feel like you guys needed to see that. And I also went ahead and put on my red lip. I feel like if you put on your lipstick first, it's easier to do the rest of your makeup. This is a red lip from Chanel. It's called Experimental. It's the Rouge Coco line, and it's a beautiful red, perfect for the holidays. So I just basically blend in my concealer all underneath my eye. I have been using the Shape Tape from Tarte. A lot of my girlfriends recommended it to me. I love a liquid concealer because I feel like it goes on so much more smoothly, but this one is great because it dries down. So I have a problem with transferring my eye makeup under my eye usually, but I'll show you how to set it too. Even though this one is a little bit drier, once it sets, it's still great to always dry it. So I'm putting the concealer, as you can see, like all basically here in this little V shape or triangle in the center of my face. So I put it on top of my eyes, under my eyes, on my nose, and sometimes right here, right above. And you can do it below. I love the Beauty Blender. It's something I swear by. Okay, so then next up, I do basically my bronzer. I love this little duo from Charlotte Tilbury. It's a bronzer and a highlighter in one. My rule is basically putting it right below my cheekbone and then blending up and out, really giving me a little bit of contour. I'm usually a little heavy-handed on the bronzer because I really want to like see that line and give my face some definition, but obviously you don't have to be as heavy-handed. So then I'm going to use a little bit of the highlighter and just go above my cheekbone. Already looking good. Next up is the blush. I like to do my face makeup first. Some people do their eyes first. I just feel like if I'm in a rush with the baby, as long as my face is done, I can actually run out the door, and eyes are just kind of a specialty makeup for special occasions like the holidays, because I don't get to put on my eyes every day. So I'm literally tapping my brush on the apple of my cheek and just going up. What's amazing about this blush from Jouer, this is the Rose Gold palette. It has a little bit of highlighter in the blush, and I love my highlighter. This girl is a big fan. Okay, next up, I am going to do my eyes, and I'm obsessed with this Beauty Counter palette. It has the best bronzy tones, which I feel like are perfect for the holidays. I'm gonna make this kind of a nighttime look, so I'm gonna go for this darker color, Cinnamon, and maybe a little touch of the burnished. Blow on it always to get the excess stuff. I'm gonna put this all over the lid. You guys, I feel like I can do this makeup in under 5 minutes, which is amazing, especially when you're a mom like me. So you really just wanna be careful on going a little heavy-handed like I just did, because now you're gonna really have to blend it well, which I'll show you what I do in order to blend it. It's really easy. And obviously, if you go heavy-handed on one eye, you can just do a little bit heavier on the other eye. My trick too, so when you go in to blend it, I used a flat brush for the lid, but now I'm gonna use this like more pointy brush and really kind of fan it out. And what I've noticed on TV too is that I like the shadow kind of right above the crease because it makes my eye appear more open. Seeing yourself on camera on all these segments actually really helps you do your makeup because you figure out what you really like and what looks best to other people, because it's hard to tell in yourself what you like. And I just go in and usually try to just clean it up a little bit. This is gonna be super simple, you guys. It's gonna be so pretty and festive for the holidays. And especially because you already have a red lip, you don't need to go like overboard with this. The only other thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this sort of smudgy brush and go into the Sable, which is the light brown, go under my eye on both sides, give a little bit of definition, make your eyes pop. I learned that from a makeup artist. I'm gonna do the same thing in this little V shape in the corner of my eye. Okay, maybe I'll blend just one more time. Make sure it's not looking funky. I feel like it already looks so good, right? Okay, a few more steps and then we're done. Basically, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury brown eyeliner pencil just on the top. Just gonna really make my eyes pop. And I have to say, this is one of my favorite liner pencils. I love everything Charlotte Tilbury does. Then I'm going to do my brows quickly. So I always just brush them up. Don't be afraid to do brows because it's super easy and it adds so much definition to your face and really gives your eyes their own sort of moment to pop. You're really shaping your eyes right now. And I just do little brush strokes. This is a pencil from ColourPop, but I really love the one from Benefit too. I love this one from Naturally By, which is my girlfriend's brand. She actually does my brows. But yeah, I just do like little strokes all along where I see hairs anyways. So I'm basically just darkening the hairs. It's kind of my rule of thumb. I'm not like going wild and rogue with hairs and drawing in my brows. But you see how much like it makes your face just like stand out. One last thing I'll do is I set my brows because my brows tend to be kind of wild and crazy, and even if I put the brow pencil, they'll sort of fall. This is a brow gel. It's called Legendary Brows, again from Charlotte Tilbury. It's one of my favorite products, but yeah, it'll just keep your brows in place all night long. And I have false lashes on right now, so I don't need to do mascara, but I've been loving this mascara from Givenchy lately. It's so good. And last but not least, so I told you I was gonna set my face, and basically this is Hourglass Veil. It's like a setter, and you can see it's like loose powder. So I take like a small brush like this, blow the excess, and I'm just doing underneath my eyes so that my concealer does not drag down on my eye makeup and make me look like I have even darker circles than I already do. You can also set your entire face with this powder. Usually for TV, I don't want my forehead shiny, so I'll do it along my forehead and maybe my chin and my nose. But I also use a setting spray, which is really cool. And I really love the setting spray from Urban Decay. Okay, that's it, you guys. This was a super simple holiday makeup tutorial. I mean, you could do this makeup year round, but I feel like it's especially festive for the holidays. It was super simple and easy. I hope you guys liked it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna link to all the products over on my blog, so make sure to click that link. I'll be back with another video soon. Bye.